I don't normally buy sets, but I needed a few things of paint to finish a painting I'm doing online in the Metaverse today. Woohoo! And I thought I would buy a small set like this. It would be twofold. You would see what a set like this how this might work, and I would see how the paint in the tubes are, and I can let you know. Now, these are very small tubes. I would not recommend these for somebody who actually wants to learn to paint, but for what I'm doing today, I'm just painting some daisies on this painting here. I've already done the rest of the painting, and I'm going to be demonstrating the daisies, so I don't need much paint at all. So that's why I bought this small set. It is 10 tubes, and they are 0.4 fluid ounces. So even a small normal tube of paint has 2 ounces or 4 ounces. Sometimes you'll get an 8-ounce one, but 0.4 is like a tablespoon. So, and I don't need much, so, and I don't want to take these back. So anyway, we're going to see how they work. Hello. So yesterday I was in the Metaverse, and I was teaching a painting, and I taught this painting here, the daisies, just the daisy part. And I used these that I bought the other day. Okay, the Windsor-Newton Galleria, and they are 10 tubes there that have 0.4 ounces in them. Okay, that is not enough for an artist to do anything with. If I wanted to paint this size painting, I would probably use up that entire box of paint and still not have the right colors and not be happy with my results. So, and that box was like $24.99. So my recommendation would be to never buy a set like that with only 0.4 ounces of paint in them. I personally don't ever buy a set. I would never buy one as a gift. I would always just pick out 5 colors that I wanted, a yellow, a red, blue, a green, a white, maybe a black, and give that as a gift. Yes, it's going to be a little more expensive, but your artist will actually be able to do something with it. Okay? But if I were going to look for a gift for an artist, that would not be it. Okay? Thanks a lot. Have a great day.